I'm Steve Wilson, and I own Refresh Eco Wash. We are a dumpster sanitizing and trash can sanitizing company. Starting this business means to me providing a service that hasn't been around before to the community that obviously has a need. Taking care of our water, our environment, and the things within our community. Initially, when I started shopping around, I looked at several different companies. One of the things I was looking for was A, can it get the job done, and B, is there a value to it? And after researching several different companies, EWI is the company I chose to go with. Value and being able to get the job done as far as the truck and what I was looking for. When it comes to future support from EWI, basically what we're looking for is just some of the sharing of what's going on in the trade, if there's issues with the vehicle or some of the parts, and gaining access to that, being good stewards of the business and the industry as it grows. I think so, yes. I mean, they've been very straightforward. They have been able to provide us the information we needed and give us some of the support that we needed to get the job done. As we looked at permitting and going through, Greg and Betsy was able to answer our questions, provide us with written information to provide to our city and county as to what they can expect from Refresh Eco Wash and our dumping and controls. I would come back to EWI to buy additional equipment, so as we start to roll and look at what our needs are and our services that we're providing in the St. George community, EWI is going to be the first one that I reach out to as we start to expand. Patience and perseverance. That's the only advice I could give people that are looking at getting started in this industry. It simply just doesn't happen overnight. There's some hoops that you have to jump through, and as long as you have the patience and the perseverance to get through it, you'll be able to pick up your truck and get rolling.